Alright guys, so you guys wanted to see how it looked when I put it in drive mode and how the lights run during the day. So yeah, I'm gonna have someone turn the truck on. See, that's how they look. The lights are completely off. The lights are not even on yet. So I'm gonna tell her to put it in drive so you guys can see how the DRL lights turn on. See how they turn on? And that's just with the auto headlamp. So see, and then if I put it back in park mode, the DRLs go off. And then when I turn on the regular headlights on by hand, the lights dim. Prende las luces. Alright guys, so as you can see, those are DRL lights. Then when I turn on the lights by hand, they dim. I don't know if you could tell on the camera or not. Turn them on. See? Off. Yeah, so that's how they work, you know. So, and like I said, when I put them in drive, they work and everything. Put it in drive. See, the DRLs just turned on. So that's it for today. I just want to show you guys how the DRL lights work with the LED strips on. So you guys have a good one, and hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.